Let's make sure it's on here.
It is.
Is it?
Wait, what's on?
The camera. Is it cam?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
recording.
Hey guys, what's going on? You guys are probably at home right now. I'm gonna do what I can this week to give you guys some content to watch. Things might be a little bit more quick and dirty because I'm gonna try and get out more videos and do what I can. So today, what are we gonna talk about? Today, we're gonna talk about installing a ham radio base unit in your overland rig, okay? So what I went with is the Kenwood TMD. Just a second. People living their lives.
Yeah,
We're good?
yeah.
What I went with is the Kenwood TMD 710 blah. Here's why. Because Brian, our Overland Bound Southwest director, knows ham radio. He'd be glad to talk to you if you guys have any questions about vehicle base units. He is Brian in the Overland Bound forums. Brian is spelt with an E. So thank you, Brian, for the recommendation. He says this stomps most of what's out there. A lot of folks are going with the Yaesu, but after a conversation with Brian, he said, no, man, go with this. So this is what we're gonna install today, and I hope you guys find it useful. I have my helper, Miguel, come here. So I have my helper here for about an hour or so until you do homework, right?
Yeah.
Is it homework?
No.
What is it?
Video games.
It's homework. Okay, get out of here. All right, so we're gonna install this. Miguel's gonna help me out, and hope you guys find it useful. Okay. Yeah, dude, you're on microphone, so if you eat potato chips, I'll hear every bit of it. Hey guys, okay, so I'm gonna point out some of the pieces of the system, and then we're gonna do some unboxing. I'm not gonna do fancy, fly-throughs and stuff like that. But we like to unbox things, right? It's like Christmas. So Miguel and I will unbox this once I explain what the different components are. Okay, so this is the heart of the system. We already talked about this. It's got a base mount module, and then it's got this, which is a remote controller module, which we'll install inside on the dash. This is just a cable extension kit. We'll open that up. We have the antenna and the antenna mount, which we'll put on the front of the truck. That'll make us look cool. We'll have more antennas. Then we have, this is a USB programming cable. I was told that, Brian told me I needed this. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I'm sure as I read the instruction manual, that would become abundantly clear. This is a 15 watt speaker. I don't necessarily recommend this one. It's what they had in stock. Surprise, surprise, ham radio stores are running out of stock. But this is an external speaker so that when people are talking over the radio and I'm rolling down a dirt road, I'm still gonna be able to hear them. And then this is a really good antenna. The decibels, the gain is 3.5 dB 2 meter and 6 dB 70 meter. I gather that's pretty good. The guy at the ham radio store said, oh, that's an awesome antenna, and Brian recommended this one as well. Okay, now let's do some quick and dirty unboxing. Hey, this video is gonna be long form instead of cutting it all down because that'll give you more to watch. Maybe it'll be entertaining, I hope so. Okay, Miguel, come on.
All right.
Let's pretend like it's like Christmas. Okay,
right.
So we got the camera set up right about here, so when you do some unboxing, kind of keep it right here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, what do you got? What present did you get?
I got the KRS D710 USB.
Okay, so that is, this is the programming USB cable. Okay, open it right there so people can see.
All right.
Remember to cut away from you. You know how to use a knife.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
I just said cut away from you. What'd you do? You cut towards your body.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
How do you open it? Oh, I see.
One more. You know what? I think you just gotta rip that.
No, I got it. It's my present, Dad. It's not yours.
Okay, you gotta hold it right here.
All right.
How'd you do it? You gotta hold so people can see you open the box. Okay. Oh, great. Okay,
Says
we have
limit.
more cables.
All right, let's see.
Okay,
Let's see what we got. We got this USB thing.
that is the cable. Okay, so this plugs into our Kenwood head unit
It also comes with,
for programming.
yeah, it also comes with some little pamphlet.
Great. Okay, let's set this aside, go to our next box. It's my turn to open a present.
There's still more.
Oh, go ahead.
We have, before you install, choose Windows or Mac.
Okay,
And we also have a little CD.
of course, we're PC. We are a PC household. Okay, serial number enclosed. Okay, so we need all this stuff.
All right.
Cool, let's set this aside. Boom. Next one, it's my present. Okay, I'm gonna open up the BC15 15-watt communication speaker Uniden. Okay. Oh look, I don't even need, I can just open it like this. Okay, so we have, let's look at the other stuff first. Okay, so we have an instruction manual, clearly. Oh, this is the bracket mount instruction manual. And then we have the unit itself. So bracket will go like that. We have the unit, and then this plugs directly into the back of the Kenwood base unit. So we'll be doing that. Okay, let's set this one aside. You get to pick the next present.
You're not done.
Oh, I'm not? Oh, there's one more thing. What else we got here? Oh, the most important part. Mounting screws. Okay. Boom. Your turn.
All right. I'm going to go with the big one.
No, you don't get to open that one.
Fine. I'll go with this one, the Kenwood PG F5 extension cable kit.
Right on. Open it over here so they can see it.
All right.
Okay.
Comes with little things.
That's what this is. You don't know what this is called?
No, but I know it's for like those really old telephones.
Wow, I'm surprised you even know that. This is called a clippy-do.
Got it.
Yeah, that's a clippy-do. Those are noise suppressors. Okay, what else you got? Dang, that's a healthy wad of cable there.
Lots of
Oh, wait,
cables.
you're opening.
Yeah, that's my present, not yours.
Here, open this so they can see it. No, don't! Jeez. Dude, do not cut cables.
My
Okay. Great.
cables.
So various extension cables for the kit. Okay,
It also comes with this.
and that. Okay, so that's our third box. All right, now since I'm gonna do the oh, okay, so this one's mine. Okay, this is the antenna mount, and I'm gonna mount that right on the front of my truck. And it's pretty.
Dad, careful, you want to save the wrapping for next year.
Okay, sorry. I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna use this wrapping for your stocking.
Got it.
Okay, so
Something fell.
where? Grab it.
I don't know, it fell right here.
No, it didn't. You're making it up.
I'm not.
Okay. Well,
It fell.
okay. So all we need to see is that this goes into the base unit. This winds through the engine compartment. And this is going to go on the front ARB bumper. The antenna will screw onto there. We'll do that last because that's kind of like the cherry on the top. Okay?
And he dropped something.
And we don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Look. Bam. They gave us a little wrench to put this on. So that's groovy. Okay? Now, why don't you open that?
I'll let you open it. It's okay. I'll let you
Well,
open
but I'm going to open the box and
it.
that.
I can open this. It's okay.
We'll share this. Okay, go ahead. Open that. What do you got there? Just read it.
We
Super
have
gainer,
the Super Gainer 2 millimeters to
2 meter.
2 meter, 70 centimeter dual brand high performance mobile whip antenna.
Awesome.
All right. Hey,
Oh, sorry. You can unbutton that.
Dad. Now save.
And remember, they're looking right here. So you gotta kind of be right here. There you
All
go.
right. So here we go.
Here we go. This is the big deal. I think you just grab the antenna. Just grab the antenna. You don't have to take that out.
No. You have
No,
to.
don't take that out. Because I may want to keep it. Nice. Sweet. Look at that.
There
Cool.
it is.
That's gonna look all. We're gonna look all Mad Max.
Oh, there's another thing.
Uh-oh. What'd you find?
Can I take it off?
Yes.
All right, we have
Instructions.
struggling, Dad.
Oh, it's an Allen wrench. And instructions. That's what that is. Okay. We got an Allen wrench. We got instructions. We got this. Okay, let's open the big boy.
Yes, let's open it.
Hold on. I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna roll just a little bit of B-roll so we can look at those things individually. Okay, here we go. This is the big deal.
You're opening it wrong.
Dun, 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 dun. Hold on. Okay, so we have a whole wad of papers. And we've got the Kenwood CD. We've got a ample manual. Check that out. Look how thick that is. Of course, that's multiple languages, so it's probably not that onerous. But we got a good manual, which is good. Okay, what's the next piece, Miguel? Why don't you take out the next piece? What do you got?
Why don't you take out that piece?
Okay. We have the actual hand unit, which is great.
Then we have
What do you got there?
let's find out. All right.
Nice. You have a black box. And
Doesn't matter.
a bracket. That's really cool. Go ahead and pull that out. So that's a bracket. I'll be drilling holes in the rig. Okay. And then there's that. Oh, cool. Look, it's got a little cooling fan.
Yeah.
It's
What's
got
the
all the
front look
connections,
like?
data, PC, speakers, antenna. Very cool. And then that's actually to the panel. Very, very groovy. Okay, we're going to set that there. Let's look at some other things. Okay, guys, so we have lots of wires. We have the mic mounting bracket and noise suppressors. We have a mini cable. I'm not sure exactly what that goes to. You guys probably know. There's the mount for the unit itself, and we've got a bunch of hardware mounts. Okay,
Right.
so we'll be getting into that a little bit later.
We have one more thing.
Okay, be careful with it.
All right. So
Show it over here. Kind of tilt it, yeah. What do we got here? Don't you break my radio.
I'm not gonna break your radio.
All right.
There we go.
Boom. There it is. Right on. That's the head unit that we will figure out where to install. But that is pretty darn cool. Oh my goodness. Buttons, dials. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dials, 2 buttons, 1 dial, 1 button. How many buttons do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 buttons on that thing. Hey, it looks pretty darn efficient. All right, let's start. Let's start installing this stuff. Okay, so I got some radios in here already. I've got a GMRS. I've got a CB. I know I got another one. Oh, I have the DeLorme. Now I have to figure out a place for the base mount ham. So I'm going to look in here and see where I can put that base unit. By the way, if I want all the kids in the neighborhood to come out and play on their skateboards, all I have to do is start shooting a video. Okay, I got lots of options, especially since I got that extension cable kit. But inside, cool, dry, hopefully clean. I'm going to go ahead and mount it right here in my on the passenger side. Hopefully that'll stay out of Corey's way. Seriously, all the kids. Okay, before I go installing the base unit, I'm gonna run some wires and probably hook up everything and install the base unit last. So let's do that. I need to do a little trimming. That's as far as I got today. So I'm going to keep making these videos. You guys are probably at home. You're probably sheltering in place. I'm at home, so I'm going to keep working on how to install this ham base unit into the rig, long form. I'll try and do another video tomorrow and keep the progress happening so that you guys have something to watch. So bear with me. They're a little bit more raw than my YouTube videos usually are, but I didn't get too far today. I have a teen girl who's having a crisis over a boy. My son needs papa time. I got engineers trying to get the mobile version of our forum software into your hand. We're doing as much stuff, as much as we can to help the community, the adventure community, connect virtually. So I'm going to be on YouTube. I'm going to try and get our forum software into your hand for iOS and Android. So we're trying to crank that out. Go over to our forums for more information on that. And I hope to see you guys again tomorrow. We'll continue this little project together. All right, you guys, stay safe. Talk to you soon.